Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to list 3 ways in which you can use video to grow your business. Video has transformed the way in which information is conveyed to its audience. A massive 80% of all web traffic is now video. In this video, I suggest how to grow a business using video by converting existing and creating new content. When Sir Tim Berners-Lee invented hypertext markup language, it enabled the linking of one document to another and the web was born. Several decades later, there are millions of websites comprised of pages of text and images portraying countless ideas, entertainment, information, and dialogue. However, over those same years, the computers used to access these websites have evolved. Although there remains a need for PCs and laptops, it is the handheld devices like tablets and smartphones that have rapidly become more popular. For the foreseeable future, there will always be websites containing text and images, as well as the audiences that visit and use them. But increasingly, it is video that is being used to communicate the information that was once only available as text on a screen. Here are 3 different ways in which video can help deliver a text-based message to a much wider audience. The process of transforming the text into a video is simple and affordable. And the advantages of doing so are many. Number 1. Press releases converted into videos. You have a press release which presumably you want to circulate as widely as possible. It has been carefully written, proofread, and posted online in various press release directories. Why not turn it into a video and have it uploaded to YouTube? By doing so, you will not be duplicating the content so much as transforming it into another format. A press release converted into a video that has been optimized for specific search terms will mean that your message is seen and heard by more people. Number 2. Blog posts converted into videos. How many blog posts or pages does your website contain? Perhaps you put a lot of effort into writing them yourself, or maybe you had to pay someone else to write them for you. Was the time or money well spent? Why not have them converted into videos? Old blog posts that remain largely forgotten in your website's archive can enjoy a new lease of life. The best blog posts can be made to shine once more, and perhaps the less effective posts can be edited and transformed into videos that make an impact. And number 3, videos as digital adverts. TV advertising is one of the most expensive forms of advertising, and consequently it's out of reach for most businesses. However, there are billions of people using social media, and it is possible to have a video advert created at a fraction of the cost of a TV ad. Just like TV ads, your video advert can be a short burst of less than half a minute, or a few minutes that resembles one of those TV infomercials often seen on American TV channels. According to some research, video ads have the highest click-through rate of all digital advert formats. Most marketing professionals name video as the type of content with the best return on investment. And research has also shown that there is a tendency among consumers to lose interest in a brand if it doesn't have any videos explaining its products or services. So whether you're a business-to-business or business-to-consumer business, you are going to need to make a small investment in digital adverts in the form of short videos. Whether you have an established business or you're thinking of starting one, you will need to use video. And that's where I can help. I create videos, and my clients use these to promote their services, products, and ideas on their websites, on YouTube, and in social media. Some of the videos I create last well under a minute, short, but still long enough to be attention-grabbing and ideal for Instagram or Twitter. Others last several minutes, and like this one, are narrated. They are fine-tuned and optimized for searches and use on YouTube. Once created, these videos become an asset that can be used over and over again. They are very affordable, and my clients are pleasantly surprised at the low cost and longevity of the video. Visit redspan.com to watch some examples and to read some of the testimonials. You'll also find details of prices along with samples of accents and formats on this page, www.redspan.com/prices-for-video-adverts. Or simply email me now, ben@redspan.com, or call 0044 1329 286 169. Investing in video is a safe investment with the potential for large returns.